Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how to add history in Facebook on PC, and it will be an 2025 method. So here actually when you are already in your Facebook and you will get this kind of an interface, and uploading an history or giving a history is really simple. Here actually you will get that sections called create history options. So here you just need to click over here. Once you click over here on your PC or your browser, then eventually you will get a couple of options to upload your day in that place. So here if you want to post or give a day as your photo, you can do it through this option, or if you just only want to give a day only using plain text, then you can with these options. So I am going to upload a picture, that's why I'll select this one and then I will upload that one in here. And here actually you can see under the preview you will eventually see the image in that place. Let's refresh this one. Sometimes it gets problem for the network, so you just need to be understand, you just need to be use your profile also. So I'm going to click on dash discard and then click on discard again, and I will choose similar thing again, United 4, and you can see that the image is working perfectly. So you can place it at anywhere you want. You can decrease the size of the image also. So now it's totally up to you. Once you feel that it's complete, just click on share to history and your day already been shared to your friends. So this is the easiest process. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you with the next video with an interesting topic again.